The long-awaited decision in the sexual assault trial of 5 former World Junior hockey players is in, and the judge deciding the case has found the men not guilty on all charges. The 5 players walked into court this morning as protesters chanted and held signs. Alex Formenton, Dillon, Dube, Callan, Foote, Carter, Hart, and Michael McLeod. Just before 10:30, Justice Maria Carroccia began reading her written decision in court over nearly 5 hours. The judge immediately addressed the testimony of the female complainant and key witness in the case, who can only be identified as EM. Judge Carroccia said, "I do not find the evidence of EM to be either credible or reliable." EM testified and was cross-examined for more than a week. Carroccia said the lawyer's cross-examination of EM was entirely appropriate. The then 20-year-old had sex with the 5 men inside the Delta Armories Hotel in June of 2018. She said she did not consent. 5 were charged last year and pleaded not guilty. Carroccia went on. Much has been made in this case about the concept of consent. This case, on its facts, does not raise issues of the reformulation of the legal concept of consent. As for the Crown's case against each defendant, she said, "I conclude the Crown cannot meet its onus on any of the counts before me." Then, one by one, she pronounced the 5 not guilty. Defense lawyer Philip Millar, not connected with the case, says he's not surprised with the outcome.
And actually relief, because I was worried that our judicial system was going too far in terms of buying into the believe all victims before the person has been determined to be a victim.
EM's credibility was crucial, lawyers say, and her account of events fell short.
Memories fade and time passes, and so she ended up being confronted in court with some inconsistencies in her statement, and it doesn't take much for a judge to find reasonable doubt when that happens.
Inside the court, Global News watched as the defendants' family members hugged each other when the decision was read out. Outside, their lawyers spoke about the trial for the first time.
Mr. Hart regrets that it took a criminal trial for the truth to come out.
A successful prosecution is not measured solely by whether there are guilty verdicts at the end. The Crown's goal throughout this proceeding has been to see a fair trial.
A trial that took 8 weeks is now decided. The 5 hockey players charged with sexual assault all found not guilty. Sean O'Shea, Global News, London.